So welcome back to this video. In today's video, we're going to be creating this dreamy, beautiful, cute face paint eye look. Can't wait to show you guys how to get this beautiful look. Yes, this is face paint, not makeup, just face paint. So I hope you're ready and let's get started. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in and let's get started. Okay, so first you'll need just your split cake, blue, light blue and white, and then I'm going to use a sponge as well. It can be any sponge, as well as a detail brush for when you do your detail and swirls at the end. And then one of the first steps I'm doing is I'm going in with that color with the sponge, and then I'm making sure it's picking up all the color that it's needed. I'm going to be using this in quite a few areas, so I'm going to try to lather up as much pigment as possible. And then what I'm going to do is next I'm going to go in with the whitest part, or the lightest part closest to the inner corners of my eye, and then I'm going to line it up there and then stamp it on to give it that ombre effect. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Then after I'm done with that, I'm also going to use what's remaining on the sponge. If it's for a gig, you wouldn't really want to double dip, so you would use what's remaining and just use that on the side of the face so you can create the background for your clouds. And so now we're going to go on to the clouds. With the clouds, I'm using my round brush in size number 1, going in with white and just creating my cloud shapes. They do not have to be perfect. They are clouds. Clouds aren't really perfect. Just, make them fluffy. Just make simple cloud shapes just to get your image, your point across. So that's what I'm doing now, making a couple clouds. I think I'm going for like a cumulonimbus cloud. So I'm doing a couple layers. I'm doing one first layer just to get the colors down, or the shape down. Then I'll do the second layer to really brighten up the white and add the highlights. And we're just going to keep going until we get all of the desired clouds. You can have a lot of fun with this. You can just go with the wind on this part and really, have fun. Alright, and so in this part, I'm adding a little bit of eyeshadow only because I'm going to be wearing this for the rest of the day. However, for a gig, if you're doing this for a birthday party or if you're face painting for an event, you do not need to use any eyeshadow. This is more so if you want to do it for a beauty look, and if you want it to last a little bit longer. But this is a cool trick for those of you who are looking to experiment with your makeup looks and add a little bit more color, add a little bit more, a little bit more of a story. Adding a layer of eyeshadow really helps keep the colors in place for your day, so it can last, so your makeup lasts throughout the day and the colors stay vibrant and the colors stay in its place. So that's a cool makeup trick for those of you who are wondering, like, how do these artists get this pigment, especially for those of you with darker skin. Adding a little bit of eyeshadow really helps make it pop as well. So now I'm going in with my detail brush and I'm going ahead and adding twinkles and stars with the color white. And that's just gonna add an element of, creativity and some nice little sparkles and cute little twinkles and cute little decorations. So this part is really up to you on how you want to go with it. You can add swirls, you can add, a little bit more clouds even. But this is the part where I'm just finishing up the look and adding cute little decorations just to tie the picture together. Alright, so now I'm going in with some glitter just to help make it pop even more. And that is the look, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. You learned something new. And I hope you guys try out this look. If you try out this look, comment down below tried, and please tag me in the post if you do post it. My Instagram will be in the description. Alright guys, so we got a bonus design for you guys. Go ahead and get your tools and let's get started. So first we're going to go ahead and do a curve from the forehead down the side of the eye, and it's going to meet at the corner of the eye. And then we're going to do a couple smaller flares. And then on the other side, we're going to go in the opposite direction. So we're going to go down and pretty much do the same thing. And then you're going to get your round brush and go ahead and create swirls and cool patterns. Do the same for the other side. Make swirls direction of your previous brush strokes. And then now with your detail brush, you're going to go ahead and add stars and twinkles and dots to give it a sparkly, enchanted effect. And then we're going to add some glitter. And you're done. This is the final look.